Hi everyone, today I am sharing with you a video of me performing a short Tai Chi form that we've been learning in our in-person classes. So I hope you enjoy it and follow along and keep practicing your Tai Chi. Cheerio, bye! thanks again for watching and supporting the channel. I really do appreciate all of your support, and remember to drop me a comment down below in the comment box to let me know how Tai Chi is benefiting you and your life. I love Tai Chi and Qigong. It's really beneficial, low impact exercise, and it's even better to hear from you in person as to how Tai Chi is really helping you and your lifestyle. So do get in touch. You can email me at DAF, so that's DAF, at freshfieldfitness.co.uk. I really do love to hear from you all. Remember to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button, and tell all your friends and family that we're here on Freshfield Fitness YouTube, providing free sessions for you to follow along. So take care everybody, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.